So here are some things I did to improve my YouTube backdrop setup. I wanted to see how cheap I could do this for. I think for like everything I bought, it was like $110 total, $115. So not bad. This is what it looked like before. I was just using a white background and I just thought it looked very bland, and I bought a few things I thought would contribute to the look. So I did some lighting stuff. I got some stuff for the background. I was using some cheap studio lights from Amazon that I use for like photography. And yeah, the way they were set up alone was not giving me like what I wanted in terms of like video aesthetic. So here is what I did. First off, I bought this 5-layer shelf from Amazon. It cost like $40 and it came in 2 days. And so I kind of wanted something to go like just behind me, anything that could hold stuff on it basically. So I just wanted to take whatever I could from around the house or decorate, just get some little stuff to fill up the background so I have more interesting of a shot. Next, I got some of these photos from a website called Snapfish. I just went on there and I bought like 100 different photos. I did ones of just some photos I had in my camera that I liked, or edits I did, graphics I did, merch I did, and yeah, just like all sorts of stuff that I thought was cool. I bought about 100 of them for like $16, I think it was, and those came pretty quick too. I got those within a week. And yeah, those alone I feel like added a lot to the scene, like a photo collage on the wall. I used double-sided tape to put them up. So it was just like $1.50 at Walmart, these like little rolls of like double-sided tape. It's exactly what you'd think it is. It's just like Scotch tape, but it's sticky on both sides. Next, I got just like a little lamp, this little cat lamp from Amazon. It was like $11 and you just put AAA batteries in it. And every time you tap it, it just like changes colors. And so I just thought that would add like a little ambience in the background. And yeah, I have it on the orange setting most of the time so far. Kind of gives off like a candle vibe. I have a bunch of other just random stuff here that I just gathered from my room or around the house and just put there just to fill up the space. I didn't spend anything on these things. These were just kind of there. I bought this little fake plant from Target for like $5. I thought that'd be like a nice little addition. And then I got this other fake bonsai plant from Etsy. I think it was like $16, something like that. And then, yeah, I just got some random hats over here, and I got my electric guitar. Yeah, that's basically it in terms of just decoration. I think that alone like added a lot of depth to my scene as compared to before. But yeah, when it comes to lighting, I have my studio light. I like things to be like pretty dim when I'm shooting, I noticed from my videos a couple months ago. And yeah, so I have my studio lights on still. I have one of them just across the room facing the wall, and it's just like a glow, so it like glows the room just like enough. And then I also bought a ring light here from Amazon. This was like $30. This was like one of the better quality ring lights, and yeah, it's like goes up to like 72 inches. I have it at max height, and then I have it like bent down over my setup, and then I have it on the remote control is like right here. I have it like by my camera setup with my tripod, but I have it on the red setting. I just like the way the red lighting is in the shot. I mean, maybe it makes me look a little too red, but I just like it has like a LED light kind of atmosphere without just like blatant LED lights, if that makes sense. And so yeah, I just thought maybe add a little few things to the scene, and I didn't spend very much, $40, 11, 16. Camera bag up there I thrifted for $6. Just like random stuff like that. yeah, I got a little Bluetooth speaker over there just to add something to, but most of the time you can't even see it. I mean, obviously I feel like there's things more that I could do. There's things more I want to do in the future, but for now I feel like this is good enough, and just simple little things or little changes that could help you possibly with your videos. So yeah, let me know if this helped. Thank you for watching. I have some links in the description for everything I talked about. And yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Peace.